Hi everyone, my name is Hitesh Kumar and today I am here to show you something that I have built recently. So this is a landing page where your user can have all of the favorite posts. Let's say when you go to a momentum template, there is a button when you click on that, it adds your post into a favorite list, but there is no way you can access that list. So this page will be a password protected page. So logged in member or a specific offer holders member can access this. And in here you will have all of the posts of that specific product in here which you have clicked favorite on. So now let's go to the desktop and let me show you how this works. So here we have on a screen that I have a landing page open up which is favorite list. Currently you cannot see anything special in here. There is nothing at the moment. So this is a landing page template. As I said before, there's a landing page in here. I have two templates actually for this. One is a tab system and one is a normal template. So I'm gonna go with this one and I will explain this one later on. So when I click on customize, I have a page like this, and you can see I have a product outline section in here. And when you click on this section, actually you can add this section by going to the add section and then click on this area, and then you will have this section in here. So this is a normal section. You can add content to this page, like above this section or below this section. You can customize this page as the way you want. So when I click on this, you can see I have a few text box in here, which is product ID 1, product ID 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what this means, you can have 5 of your products. So list of your 5 products can be shown in here. So you can have different section for that, and you can show them in only one. So all of the list will be pasted in here. So how this works, to do this, you have to get the product ID of a product. And in this case, we have this product right here, and we have our ID in the top. So you just have to get this number from the URL and copy this and simply paste this right here. And when you do, all of the products where you have clicked favorite button, all of the posts with that will come up in here. So I'm gonna show you by adding a post and by removing few posts. So now I have saved that, and when I click a refresh on this favorite list page, so it will actually show me all of the lists now. So you can customize this look by from the backend of Kajabi. So when I come back here, to the product, and when I click on customize, it shows me this page. And I have a Premier product template, but if you want to have this functionality with your Premier template, I can do that too, but that's going to cost you extra. For now, I'm going to go with this momentum template. I'm going to preview this and have some of the, have that favorite button in here. So let's say we have this post, bonus lesson 2, added as a favorite. So let's check this, bonus lesson 2. So when I go to that post and I remove this mark from here and come back here and I refresh this post won't be here anymore. And if you want to add a post in here, let's say I go to one of the posts, let's say I go to resource 1. Currently we have resource 3 and resource 2. When I click on resource 1 and then click on this favorite button and go back in here, and now I refresh it, I have resource 1 in here as well. So that's how it works. You can have multiple offers. And how this tab system works, let me show you. If you want to have multiple products in one page and you want to differentiate that with tab system, so this is how it looks. You can enter the product name. Simply you have to put the ID in there, and then you can simply navigate to the tab. Actually, I have added the same ID for all of the tabs, so it's showing like this. So yeah, that's how you can have it. If you want to purchase this from me, you can directly email me at i@hiteshkumar.com. You can have this email in the description section. And yeah, I don't have a system for purchasing and all. I will have that shortly. So till then, you can email me if you want to have this over your Kajabi site. And thank you so much.